Welcome to the Emporium Studio. The best-selling and the finest products online.
Find on-trend clothes, the best smartphones with the cheapest price, unique jewelry, the best smartwatch sales and deals, top-selling beauty products, and more, lots more.
At the Emporium Studio we provide you with an excellent shopping experience as our clients' satisfaction matters a lot.
You can spend hours, if not days, researching your desired products online, but if none fits your needs, we are here to help.
Whether you're looking for the best luxury beauty products to buy on sale,
the hottest fashion and jewelry trends,
home appliances that deliver performance, value, and style,
the best phone or tablet to buy right now,
the best deals on tech, electronics, and gadgets,
coolest wearable electronics you need to have,
top best gaming products and accessories,
the finest flying cameras you can buy,
the best products for pet owners on sale now,
and so much more. The Emporium Studio has got you covered.
See our top picks. We find the best prices and the finest quality products online so you don't have to.
Shop now by visiting the official website at TheEmporiumStudio.com.